How often should you replace your air conditioning unit? ACs must be in good condition to properly cool your home, but sometimes it's better to replace your AC unit instead of repairing it. Determining when to replace your AC isn't an exact science. However, there are some telltale signs that suggest it's time. 1. Consider its age. It's a simple fact that older ACs are less efficient than newer models. According to Energy Star, you should replace units over 10 years old. 2. Apply the $5,000 rule. Many experts consider this rule when evaluating a broken HVAC unit. If you're going to spend over $5,000 in HVAC repair, AC replacement is better. 3. Consider energy efficiency. Newer air conditioners are highly efficient and better for your home. For more information, contact P&M Air Conditioning and Heating at pmhvac.com or call 713-588-6249 today.